That is taking me out deep. Holy, would you actually do the honors and kind of like look at the slime on that? Can you guys see that? Big girl, AKA the Dream Smasher. Yo, slimy as hell. Oh shit! Come on. Yeah, she's got to be at least like 30 or 40. Jesus Christ! What's up, y'all? Your boy's out here in the city, getting some fishing in right before work. This is what I normally do once this time of the year comes around, and I just got out here and I'm just literally just casting right along the Tidal Basin. Didn't even set my camera up. I don't even got my GoPro, y'all. I was just coming out here just to get some fishing in, and look what I pulled into, y'all. Woo! Hey, hey, she's got to be at least a good 4. I'm about to put the camera up, set the camera up. Big girl right here, she's got to be at least like 3, maybe pushing 4. She hit like a shad color pattern, chatterbait. The tide isn't too high right now, but she's definitely pre-spawn. You can tell by her gut. Let me get a weight on this girl. Alright, y'all, so yeah, literally just got down here and wasn't even thinking to set my phone up. I was just casting around, and sure enough, casting that chatterbait around right along this wall right behind me. She's 4'2". 4'2", you guys. Beautiful fish right here. Beautiful pre-spawner. I'm gonna let her go. Don't want to keep her out of the water too long. Snap a couple of pictures, and then we're gonna toss it back in, y'all. This big girl back in the water so she can go ahead and drop them eggs. Go ahead, girl. There we go. Swam off real healthy. Even though that was a big drop, she was fine. These DC fish, man, these DC fish are used to being rough. Not saying I don't want to be any more rough than I need to with them, but that little drop wasn't gonna hurt it, y'all. Y'all see she swam off nice and easy. We're gonna get back out there. All the videos gonna be on the phone today, you guys. I came unprepared. Well, not unprepared. I really wasn't expecting to make a video today. I got about a couple of hours before I gotta go teach. So I was like, you know what? Let me just take the rods down to the city with me and toss around, see if I can catch some pre-spawn beauties. And that's one, y'all. Get right back out there, see if we can do it again. Let's do it. You gotta be kidding me. A freaking shad hit this thing. This thing is slimy as hell. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I almost broke my ankle. Look where you hit that damn jerkbait, y'all. A damn shad. On a multi-species challenge today, boys. I'm really not trying to smell like shad before work. There we go. Those things are so slimy. Y'all thought that was a fish. It's a branch fish. Boy, they caught him a bridge. That is taking me out deep. Holy hell. Woo, I done hooked into something big, y'all. He's running me out deep. He's running me out deep. Come on back up in there. This is a big fish, y'all. I don't know what I hooked into, but it just took off to the left. Back. Woo! Woo! Sapase! Come on. Come to me, Papa. Come to me, Papa. Ooh, I still haven't even seen it yet, y'all. Is that a big blue? Oh my gosh. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Oh my goodness! This is a huge catfish, y'all. Where's she at? Jesus Christ. Hold on, you guys. Stop recording on accident, but Jesus Christ. Y'all see her? Look how big this blue is. Hold on. Where is she at? Oh my God, y'all see her? Woo! Holy crap. Yeah, she's got to be at least like 30 or 40. Jesus Christ. Y'all see her? Woo! Go ahead, girl. Death roll. Come on. Holy crap. Come on. Now, good thing I got my grippers, but I don't know where I can bring her to grip her. Holy hell, y'all. Look at that big old nasty girl. Nasty girl right there. Jesus Christ. Please take a picture. Would you actually do the honors and kind of like record? Like hold this and record?
Oh, wow. It is a big one. Okay. What do I need to do?
Literally just hold on.
Okay, got it.
If you just hold and kind of like zoom in so you can get me in the frame.
Okay, well I'll come over here. Are you recording?
I don't even know if I'm gonna get this.
Your lip grip is a little small for you need a longer handle on it.
Yeah.
Well, let's hope. Oh, there's another big one.
Yeah, there's fish all over this place.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
You got long arms. You should, yeah, you might be able to
I
get
don't
it.
even know if I'm gonna be able to reach her.
Boy, that's a beauty, isn't it?
Okay. I can get her. Oh, thank you.
Oh, he fell off.
No, I don't care. As long
He
That
was
was
big.
still a
as long as I
beauty.
get this back.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, she destroyed it though.
It was crazy.
You have the memory of and the video to
She
prove it.
destroyed it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it? You get
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
So there's usually 3 treble hooks on there.
Oh, and the other hook's gone.
Ripped the tail off and took the treble.
Yeah.
Honestly, that was a hell of a fight. Like when she hit it, she literally just took off, and it was just like peel and drag. My line was like, but I got it all on video, so that's
That's
all that
good.
counts.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Yeah,
sis.
that was so cool.
Thank you so much.
I didn't see it at first.
Hey, you guys. Hey, it happens. You know, a fish that big, and I'm throwing what, light line. That was, I'm gonna say 8 or 10 pound test on my medium moderate action. That's my jerkbait rod. I was not expecting to catch a cat on that rod, man. And a fish of that size, that cat had to be at least like 30, pushing 35 pounds, y'all. And as you guys saw, I don't know if one of the ladies that was gracious enough to video for me, if you guys were able to get a good picture of it, but let me show y'all. Literally ripped the back treble off and completely toasted that bait, y'all. That was one of my favorite jerk baits too. That's a flash pointer, and man, she destroyed that thing. But hey, I'm not really upset. The fight was amazing. At first, I thought I had a damn striper on, because the way that she just took off, like, y'all, I don't know if y'all heard it because I didn't have my GoPro on. Y'all couldn't really hear that close, but it was like, but hey, she busted me off. But hey, like I said, I'm not mad. She got my line all, it's just all nasty, man. It's all slimed up, but I'm gonna chop it off. Probably just chuck that bait in the trash and go order another one. But I'm gonna get back to fishing, y'all. It is on right now. Look at the slime on that. Can you guys see that? Ah. Oh man. One more time, one more good look, you guys. Just completely obliterated that bait. She just weighed so damn much that tail just gave, and it's all good, y'all. Even though this bait is pretty much trashed, don't litter. You guys don't leave your stuff around the city. I hate when I see fishermen just leave line and just stuff all over the place. Like, I mean, this place is crowded with trash, but hey, toss it in your box. It don't take but a couple of seconds to find a trash can and throw it away, y'all, all right? We gonna toss the big girl around, y'all. The big girl, AKA the Dream Smasher. Yo, that was a snake, y'all. That was a snakehead. Holy. God. Good God. Good God. Come on. I had to stop recording because my phone was dying, but I'm still catching fish, y'all. Look at that beauty right there. Probably not that big, probably about a good 2-3 pounder. Y'all, today I'm just catching. So I've caught a bass. I hooked into a huge ass catfish. I caught a shad, and now I caught a snakehead. Yo, multi-species day to day, y'all. The fish just keep coming. It just gets better as the day goes on. This is my second bass of the day. That's 2 bass on the day, 1 snakehead, 1 big ass catfish, and then 1 shad, I think. Y'all, beautiful bass right there. I just need to bring my GoPro from now on. I don't know what I was thinking coming down to DC, doing some fishing and not bringing my GoPro. But we're gonna let this girl go and we're gonna get back out there. I got about probably another 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to get on some more fish. As soon as I caught this one, there was another one following behind her, so they're on it, y'all. Second bass, another full fish. Another real full fish right there, man. There she goes.